Okay, so we are going to be talking about the difference between membrane slab and shelving. But theoretically, membrane slab transfers all the load, it dumps the load on it straight to the beams, while shelving takes part in flexure. So it takes part in flexure. So it means it has out of plane. Shelving has out of plane stiffness and in plane stiffness, while membrane has only in plane stiffness. It does not have out of plane stiffness. So let's imagine for membrane now, let's imagine something like a blanket. So if you have people holding blanket around the edges, the blanket does not have out of plane stiffness, so it dumps all the load on the people carrying it. But if you have a normal reinforced concrete slab, it also helps in taking part in the load. So it depends on the engineer why you want to use membrane or shell to model your slab. It depends on your concept. Then another thing about membrane is that membrane distributes the load in yield line, while shelving distributes the load in finite element, and it distributes the load in a stiffer direction. So let's say for example we have a one-way slab and we see the two beams in the longer direction are walls, while the ones in the shorter direction are cracked section of very flat beam. And from theory we know that ly over lx will give us one way, and if it's greater than 2 will give us one way, and it spans in the shorter direction. That wouldn't work in that case because the load is going to go to the stiffer direction. So we've modeled this slab. We can see this slab, this is shelving and this is membrane, the same load 10 kilonewton, and right click on it, 10 kilonewton also. So we'll run the analysis, then we'll see the difference in results. So we expect to get more reinforced, more bending moments in this model than this. So let's see what it is. So bring out your bending moments, moment 33, click OK, and that. So let's say our moment at this point, our moment is about 77, 78, and let's see this one. So we can see our moment about 86. So the reason why, first of all structures here are cracked sections. So this is the only shell thing and this is membrane. So it's telling me that this slab is taking part in the flexural load instead of dumping all the load to the beam, while this slab is dumping all the whole load to this beam. So thank you for watching today's video on shelving and membrane. If you have any question, you can always drop it in the comment section.